That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic. You don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby his body baby
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another video. So for today's look, I'll be trying on a wig that I received from VSHOW.com. I've never tried anything from them before, so this is like my first time unboxing and reviewing their hair. So I received my wig today, and this is what the box looks like, which is tragic. It's super damaged. It literally came like this, you know, after I tried to open it. As long as the wig doesn't look like the outside, I'm cool. But yeah, so inside the box it just came with an extra wig cap, also this little card right here that just shows you info on how to wash the hair, blow dry it. Also there's socials in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys details on this wig. So this wig is a Peruvian lace front wig. It is 22-inch. The texture is water wave. It says here that the wig has been pre-plucked. It also has baby hairs around it. So the density is 130%. Lace size is 13 by 4 inches. So this is what the wig looks like. It's very light. If you're the type that don't like full and heavy type of curly hair, this is perfect for you because this is very light. This is what the inside look like. It has 4 combs, 3 right here, 1 on the bottom, and also an adjustable strap. This is what the lace on the frontal looks like. It has the middle part, but you can really part it anywhere you want to. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off this wig because I'm ready to just try it on and see what's good with it. So this is what the wig looks like on, and honestly I like it. Like, I really love it. I don't even think I want to wet it or anything. I really love it like that. I really love the fact that it's light. Curls are not heavy or anything. I really want to wear it like this right now. Like, it already looks perfect. Usually with my water wave wigs I would like wet it just to see how the natural wet curls will come out, but I don't think I want to wet this one. This video might be super short because this is it. Literally, I'm not about to do anything else. I'm just about to do my edges. Like, so this is perfect for like beginners. If you're just now getting into wigs and stuff like that, you don't really know how to like style and take care of them, this is literally the perfect wig to just buy and not do anything, and it will look so cute. I really love messy curly hair looks. Like, I'm literally obsessed, really. Like, the frontal looks so pretty, and these little baby hairs they have all around the wig. It's like these little short pieces right here, so cute. If you was to do like an updo and like glue your wig down, this will look so pretty and natural. But you guys know I don't glue my wig, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I really like it, y'all. I'm really about to just wear it like this, so that's it. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and just do my edges, and that's it for this video. Oh my god, this video is about to be literally like 2 minutes long. I will see you guys once the look is completed. Complete, whatever. So this is the final look, and this is literally what the wig looks like fresh out the box. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't put any leave-in conditioner in it. I just really wanted to show you guys that with this type of wig you could literally just wear it fresh out the box, especially if you're just starting off with wigs and you don't really know how to take care of them, you don't really know how to style them, you don't really know what to do with them. This is a very affordable wig that you could literally just throw on. They pre-pluck the wig for you. The curls are nice and manageable. Like, honestly, I'm very shook myself that I'm even able to wear it without me doing anything to it, and that's very rare. And yeah, you know, you could do a side part, middle part, and I really love these little baby hairs that they have on the wig. Like, honestly, I feel like I want to start gluing my wigs in so I could really just, like, you know, slay them properly, because this little slay don't be doing enough justice for these looks, but it's still fine. So yeah, this is how you rock a full lace glueless wig without no glue, honey. Literally don't have any glue holding this wig together right now. It's literally God himself keeping my wig on my head. Literally no body pans, no nothing, just God himself. So yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this video was useful. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out VSHOW.com. I will leave their links down below, and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.